Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can be notified when we upload a new video. So today's video is kind of like, I guess, a life update, and I am sharing with you for the first time my new office space. I'm so excited. So let's get started. So I decided that I need to have my own space. I got tired of filming on the floor. I got tired of cleaning things up all the time, making sure everything looks right in a camera, and it was time. So while we were all sitting home doing nothing, I decided that it was time to kind of renovate, update our spare third bedroom. That's kind of like a storage space. Make it into my little office. And if you hear Mr. Softy downstairs, I'm sorry. I hope the camera doesn't pick that up. Got rid of so much stuff here that we didn't need anymore. There was a lot of kids' toys. There was a lot of things that I don't use for work anymore. We donated so many things. Like, we literally took out like 20 bags, humongous bags of things that we don't need anymore. And then I went to Home Depot. No, I went to Lowe's and got myself some paint and some primer and painted the room, hung up some curtains, and ordered my stuff from IKEA. Now, because of the storm that we're currently in, the shelves and the desk that you can't see took about 2.5 weeks, but it was finally delivered and we finally put it together. And I have a few things on the shelves, but I still have to organize, maybe move the shelving around, and decorate it more and make it more of my own happy place. So I'm so excited to start filming here. I'm so excited to make it even more of my own space. And I also need to get a new chair because this is our dining room chair and it's not very comfortable. So anyways, so that's what's been happening here. So it's been a lot of fun putting this office together. As far as regular life goes, things have been quiet. We've been able to meet with some of our friends outside for a couple of hours, so that was very nice. We got to go to the dentist. That was very nice. We got to plan our summer kind of a little bit better and figure out what we're doing, so I'll definitely tell you guys all about that in my next video. And we have a lot to talk about. Our Disney trip that obviously was canceled, and then we moved it, and now it's kind of like up in the air, so I don't even know what's happening with that, but we need like a whole new video to talk about that. What else? I think that's about it. You know, we're just trying to survive here with the remote learning. It's definitely a roller coaster. The kids still have school until June 26th, so we still have, I think, officially a whole week, and but we're just happy to be done with that, and just fingers crossed that they're gonna open up in September. But the kind of surveys we've been getting, I don't know. So that's about it. Just wanted to make this quick short video today just to showcase my little office. Once it's completely done, I will give you guys a full tour. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. As far as everything else, thank God everybody's healthy and well, and life is moving forward. New York City is in phase 1 reopening, and I think next Monday we're gonna be at phase 2, which is great. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks things just keep moving forward, and those scary numbers, you know, either stay the same or kind of just keep going down. I can't wait to record more videos here, guys. Anyways, I'm so excited. I'm sorry that we disappeared, but it was just like so many things going on, and now things are settling back in, and I'll be in my new office space and recording, and I have a door and I can close it and no one can bother me. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.